This is the biggest quad this is the biggest quad that we have in SMX bikes. And I'm gonna try to attempt it. Alright, starting off with attempt number 1. First try. This is entire quad. Entire quad, here we go! Oh my god. Alright, here's attempt number 2. Oh, we were so close! Alright, attempt number 3. We got this. We just need that speed. We just need that speed. Oh my god. Okay, attempt number 4. We got this. Oh my gosh, we're so close. We have the speed.